Kind of pretty impressive to see how loud that single 15 got in that big box.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Did that just happen? Where you blew a sub?
Happened 2 weekends ago.
Okay.
At Brazilian show.
Okay, yeah.
With Boom and them.
Nice. What sub is this?
XV3.
XV3, okay. Nice. So how did you notice your bandwidth adjustment change, SPL, anything when you took one out? Is it still play fine, or?
Yeah, it plays pretty good. I mean,
Yeah.
it's still decent.
Yeah.
It
I bet
ain't
you it plays
strong.
lower.
Yeah, it ain't as strong.
Yeah, okay.
Look at burn see the amps.
All right. Nice. There's that sub. All right. Nice. Is that a, what Ruthless size is that?
85.
80. Oh, wow. Okay. That's a big one. Yeah. Do you have anything under the hood?
Nope.
Nothing? Oh, stock alternator. Okay. Nice. So before the demo, if you could tell me your name and what's in here with your volume down, that way it's a little bit easier to. So go ahead, man. Your name and all in here. Go ahead.
My name is Brian Smith. Got an 8500 Ruthless on one XV315 Sundown. We got the door amps 800x4. We got Audio Legion Neos in the doors.
Okay.
And then the power acoustic eyeballs.
Nice. Who built the box?
I did.
Very good. And that thing is tight fit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you still have your back seats whenever you need them?
Still got back seats.
Okay. Do you know how big the box is, tuning, port size?
It's right at 6 cubic foot.
Okay.
It's was tuned at 28 hertz. I'm not sure now because I changed the port size due to having one sub.
Okay, so you
We
shrunk
straightened
the
it. Yeah,
port.
but we made it longer to make it better.
Got it. Okay. Wow. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. I know it's too bad you got one sub down, but you still got it playing for the show. All right. Yeah, man. Sweet.
Find you something.
Okay. So it was 3 cubes per sub before.
Mm-hmm.
So on the low end.
Right.
So it peaked higher probably. Sorry, I'm talking out loud in my head, thinking about the tone and difference. Have you tried inverting the subs when you had it before?
They was.
They were? Okay. Now it's just mounted regular since there's more space.
That's what he did. Is they said when it was mounted upside down.
Got it. Okay.
Trying to find something for you here.
You
I
good?
wasn't ready.
It's all good, man. No rush. And this is at 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm sure you're babying that amp now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby and all of it right now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm waiting to get the other one. The other one's right there. I'm gonna send it off to have her built.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Let's see if I can.
Do you know what happened to make the sub blow, or what did you figure out what caused it?
I was running lanes, and I was chasing my wife, and I wasn't paying attention and overskirted it. Went too far in the volume and put in clipping too much.
Yeah, and it ran for too long, and it.
We was done a minute run over on Base Outlaws chasing each other.
Yeah. Wow.
So yeah, it was my mistake, but
Okay.
I own up to it every time.
Yes, sir. All right.
Let's see if I can find anything different here. You ought to come back by in a little while and see her.
Okay. Oh, who's it? Okay. Did that crack from the bass last time you played it, or when you broke it, or?
Done that before.
Okay.
I had 312s in here.
Oh, okay. So you've had a couple different systems.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. What made you go with 312s to 215s?
I wanted more wind and better,
Okay. Yeah.
but I always like the deepness of the 15s too.
Yes, sir. Okay. 29 to 50s.
That Mexico team. That good dog got me looking just like Johnny Dang. Louis Vuitton, when I walk through the rain, in the kitchen, rip it rolling bread like kind. This dog got a nigga like that. Like Cadillac riding in the tank. I'm a dirty with a dirty face. Like I am block, lighted up with flames. Jumping on the block, out of lake, doing jumper jacks. Smoking on the wood, yellow timber like it's lumberjack. Suppress on the Mac 10, sounding like it's bubble. I'm tippy in the shower, I'ma keep his head some bubble bear. Choppers and choppers, little bitch, I got a whole lot of that. With the steel, I'm a kid, yeah, I got him falling. Got me feeling like a baby, this feeling so I'm proud of it. I'm just rhyming words, I don't even know how to. Every time that they see me, better believe it, I'm flossed up, got crossed up, deep in the dirt, and I'm bossed up. I be catching it, let's fuck around and get lost up. I be like it's lumberjack. Suppress on the Mac 10, sounding like it's bubble. I'm tippy in the shower, I'ma keep his head some bubble bear. Choppers and choppers, little bitch, I got a whole lot of them. With the steel, I'ma everywhere I go, I got just the name to get. Cause I know that nigga won't going out around the nigga, bring it fucking time, nigga, bring it fucking real, bring it if you fuck with me, so much you got. Them niggas like to run, but them niggas ain't hot. It's like shoot yourself. Suicide kills. Hit the hard like niggas in the know you. Know a man's dick hurt just like soda stream. He'll put you in the dirt and have you.
That's still really low.
It is.
Really low in response for a single sub. It's actually kind of pretty impressive to see how loud that single 15 got in that big box though,
Right.
for lows. And I'm sure you're babying that amp now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
baby and all over right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm waiting to get the other one. The other one's right there. I'm gonna send it off to have built.
Yes, sir. Okay. What was your name?
Brian.
Take you for the demo, Brian. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, sorry for all the questions.
I got one of